Top 10, Best Dressed, on the ABS-CBN Ball, 2025. Top 1, Ann Curtis. Top 2, Nadine Lustre. Top 3, Janine Gutierrez. Top 4, our very own, our big winner Gen 11. A first-timer, attending, the ABS-CBN Ball, no other than, Fiang Smith. Totally agreeing, with Raymond Gutierrez. Fiang is serving, K-pop princess vibes. And absolutely stunning. Top 5, Maris Racal. Top 6, Kai Montinola, RPBB Gen 11, 4th placer. Top 7, Iza Casado. Top 8, Bini Girls. Top 9, Shaina Magdayaw. And top 10, our bubbly Chanita, Kim Chu. Congratulations ladies, especially to Fiang Smith, nakaka-proud siya, sa daming magagandang gown. Sa daming celebrities, na dumalo. Super proud, being a top 4, sa ganitong big event. First timer niya, sa ganitong ball, pero wow, she did it.
If you're someone who needs